Good afternoon, Pop Pops Bees, swarm number 25 from the church install. I suspect this is probably a virgin coming back. There's not a lot of bees. Trap fell off the tree, got busted. I had a hard time getting the frames out of it yesterday. Not a lot of bees. Did see the queen. They're drawing some comb. There was a lot of bees out working yesterday. I actually saw them taking in pollen, and she appeared to be laying on that frame. There she is right there. She appeared to be laying yesterday. She was going through the motions, and she's not as jumpy as that other one in that other box. Like I said, I don't think they've been in there but a day or two. Not a very big swarm. That's kind of the equivalent of what you see come back with a virgin coming back and getting confused and not making it back where she can. They've drawn quite a bit of comb on that. So this is swarm catch number 25 install. Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Not many bees in the bottom. That's a frame of bees. I mean, they'll grow, and we'll check them out and see what we're going to end up doing with them, where they go. Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.